what I would next want to do is just go to shadow parameters and just click on atmosphere shadows. This is very important to tell it to communicate to the atmospherics, which is in fact our afterburn. If I click render again, although it's casting shadows, it's not actually doing anything yet, and the reason is because we still need to specify in here to self shadow, and we can also tell it, like, to cast shadows on the ground or on objects, receive shadows, but right now for the explosion this is all we really need. And yeah, so just make sure you have your shadows on and atmosphere shadows, self shadows. Then when we render this, it's actually going to look a lot different. It's going to have a lot more depth to it. You will notice it does render a little bit, well, a fair bit slower, because now it's calculating the shadows which get overlaid on top. So the result though is going to be a lot more, is going to have a lot more depth. And so this is rendering very slow, but we can see that we have some really nice kind of more 3D looking clouds now, or smoke. So click cancel, and we can just see, like, we can see where it's heading. A couple of things we can do to optimize this. I could actually set my step size a lot higher, like 5. Now what this is, and I'll do another tutorial on optimizing and explain a lot more of it a lot more clearer, but step size is basically how many times it's going to sample inside of the volume. So by adjusting that to 5, you can tell right away it's rendering much quicker. Okay, so now it's considerably quicker to render, but the thing is there isn't as much detail in there, and the thing is that it's just a matter of balancing it. You want to have quality versus render speeds, so you need to kind of figure out a way to balance the, somewhere in the middle where the quality is still good but the rendering speeds are as good as they can be as well.